I am R. Prabha, Assistant Professor in the Department of EC, SNS College of Technology. In this video, we will discuss the topic on T and D flip-flops for the course Digital System Design. So let us recall the previous topic before going into the current topic of T and D flip-flop. So the previous topic is JK and SR flip-flop. We have seen SR flip-flop, it is the foundation of sequential logic. Here S represents set and R represents reset. There is a undefined state when S and R value equal to 1 in SR flip-flops. To eliminate this, we have proposed JK flip-flop. So JK flip-flop eliminates this undefined state, and its characteristic equation is J q bar plus K bar q. And these two are the fundamental blocks of sequential logic circuits, each serving specific roles in memory storage and also state control. So now coming to the topic of T and D flip-flop. So we are going to express this in design thinking way. So in the design thinking, the starting stage is the empathize stage. So in the empathize stage, we are going to understand the flip-flop roles in digital systems. So the flip-flops are the memory elements, and they are the fundamental to digital system storage. They have store the binary states 0 and 1 until commanded to change, and they are very essential in synchronous sequential logic system where state changes are triggered by specific clock edge for precise time control. And design thinking stage 2 is define. So in the define stage, we are going to say what are T and D flip flop. So here T flip flop is called as toggle flip flop, and D flip flop is called as data latch flip flop. So toggle flip flop, T flip flop, when T is equal to 1, it toggles the output and it holds the state when T value is equal to 0. And its characteristic equation is next state Q next is equal to T Q bar plus T bar Q. And this is perfect for counters and also frequency dividers. And the next type of flip-flop is D flip-flop or data flip-flop. So here the output follows input D at clock edge, and its characteristic equation is Q next is equal to D, and it is ideal for data storage and also the shift registers. So now the ideate stage. So in the ideate stage, we need operation tables. In D flip-flop, data flip-flop, input is 0, output is 0. Input is 1, output is 1. But in T flip-flop, it toggles when the input is 0, the output is 0. When the input is 0 and the output is 1, it is 1, 0, T and Q value. Q next is 1, 1, 1, it is 0. So operation table always shows how the input value controls state transitions, providing the foundation for understanding flip-flop behavior in sequential circuits. And now coming to the fourth stage of design thinking, prototype. So here the excitation tables of T and D flip-flops is required. So D flip-flop excitation table, T flip-flop excitation table is given in the diagram, and for D flip-flop for 0 0 D value is 0, and Q next is 0 1 D value is 1, 1 0 0 1 1 is 1, and T flip flop 0 0 it is 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 1, 1 1 it is 0. And last stage is testing part. So in the testing part, first we should understand the state transition from the excitation table in circuit design, and applying excitation table and implementation of logic is the last stage. So now the summary. So far we have seen T and D flip flop and its importance, and their operation tables, excitation tables, and its characteristic equation. Finally, we have ended with the application part and assessment question. T flip flop toggle condition, and what input value caused T flip flop to toggle output stage, and D flip flop excitation simplification we have seen. JK and SR advantage JK versus advantage table type distinction. So in the first question, toggle output T is equal to 1, the flip-flop toggles its output 0, it maintains the same value. For second question, D flip-flop excitation table simplifies the design because D is equal to Q next. And undefined state solution, JK flip-flop eliminate undefined state of SR flip-flop. Fourth table, operation table shows how the output for given input. Excitation table show required input for desired output transitions. References. Thank you.